crazy? Why so crazy? Why so crazy? Why so crazy? Why so crazy?
Hi everybody, this is Pariniti Chopra.
Looking at Parniti and the way she is accepting the product is very encouraging.
It will come easily to you. You love Vadilal since childhood. It will come very easily.
But it's true. But my real feeling is
I see that she is more enthusiastic about Vadilal. She is also curious to know how old is this brand,
पहले मुझे एंगल बता दो.
how it has emerged as the second largest ice cream company in India.
This is the fourth generation running the business of Vadilal ice creams. We have always been very popular with the parents and the grandparents, and it has been one of the favorites for them. But we also feel that we were missing out on the millennials and the youth these days.
When you think of an ice cream brand, the only name that really comes to your mind is that of Vadilal Ice Creams. It's been part of our childhood, it's been part of our everyday life, it's been part of most celebrations that we've had.
When we were thinking about celebrity, she was always on top.
I feel that for today's generation, there could have not been a better fit than Pariniti Chopra for Vadilal. The best part is she loves Vadilal ice cream.
My fondest memories were always going out there and buying a little ice cream from the Vadilal stores.
Ice cream has always been about fun, has been about celebration, has been about happy memories, happy moments. As a campaign for Vadilal is actually celebrating all those moments. In terms of the creative strategy, the idea is to really have some very mouth-watering commercials. If you think of ice cream, you think of something that's really going to be a feast for your taste buds, right? So it's a visual feast, something that creates that craving inside you.
We had been working day in, day out, and finally the output that has really come out of the entire project is really very good. And as I said, I'm really excited towards having the campaign on all out rolling on the television.
Our look, our feel is very much similar to what I've experienced when I was growing up. So I hope that message comes across and all of you can go out there and enjoy my favorite flavors in ice creams.
My best part of every day is
You'll edit it and all that, no?
Lagi raho.
my best part of every day is having a selfie with Pariniti.
सर आप ये कराते कराते पैकअप बोलो ना सर. ये सब जरूर जाता है फिर एडिट में. मैंने बोला.